In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Network Analyzer Pro app on Android. First, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the main interface of the store. This is where you can explore a wide range of apps and games available for download. It's essential to access the Play Store as it is the safest and most reliable way to get apps on your device. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can enter the name of the app you want to download. As you tap the search bar, the on-screen keyboard will appear, allowing you to type. Be sure to type carefully to ensure you find the exact app you need. This step is crucial because it helps you locate the specific app quickly, saving you time in the process. Now type Network Analyzer Pro into the search bar. Make sure to double-check your spelling to ensure the search yields the correct results. Once you've entered the name, the Play Store will generate a list of apps that match your search. As you look through the results, keep an eye out for the one developed by Jiri TechIt. This is the official app, and it's important to download the correct version to avoid any issues with functionality later on. From there, select Network Analyzer Pro by Jiri TechIt from the list of search results. A new page will open, displaying details about the app, including its description, ratings, and reviews. This information can be very helpful in understanding the app's capabilities. Taking a moment to read through this can give you a better idea of what to expect once you start using the app. Next up, tap the Buy button. Since the app is a paid one, you will see the price listed next to the button. This means you will need to purchase it before downloading. It's important to note that investing in quality apps can often provide you with better features and support. After tapping Buy, complete the purchase if prompted. You may need to enter your payment information or confirm your Google account details. This step ensures that your transaction is secure and that you're authorized to make purchases on the Play Store. Once this is done, you can feel confident that your payment is processed correctly. Now, tap the Install button after the purchase has been confirmed. The app will begin to download onto your device. This can take a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This is a vital step because it ensures that the app is properly installed for you to use. Once the download is finished, tap Open. This will launch the Network Analyzer Pro app for the first time. You'll be greeted with an introduction or welcome screen that may guide you through initial setup options. It's exciting to finally access the app, and you're one step closer to utilizing its powerful network diagnostic tools. At this point, you will need to allow the requested permissions to enable the app to function correctly. These permissions typically include access to your network settings. Granting these permissions is important because it allows the app to perform its diagnostic functions effectively. Finally, start using the network diagnostic tools provided by the app. The official Network Analyzer Pro app is available on Google Play and has over 100,000 downloads. This high number of downloads indicates that many users trust and rely on this app for their network analysis needs. You are now equipped to explore your network with confidence,